All right, so guys, now let me just walk you through how to copy my trades on a Vantage Market. So step number one, guys, is to actually open a real trading account on a Vantage Market, right? So if you are watching on the YouTube, just click the link down below in the description, or if you're on the Telegram, just click that link above and then open a trading account with Advantage, right? So step number two is to basically deposit into your copy trading account. So as you can see, me right here, I already deposited 524 USD, right, in my copy trading account. So what I'm gonna do is, after depositing your money into the copy trading, all you have to do now is to actually go to search button here above, and then here at the strategies, now remember, do not go to signal providers, go to strategies, right? Once you're at the strategies, just say search for FX Wizy, all right? So once you search for FX Wizy, and then it just you're gonna see me popping up there, right? So now remember, I was not serious with this copy trading, but I just feel like, okay, this is the best way for actually other people to copy all my trades. So from tomorrow, from Monday, I'm actually gonna be trading on this account, and every trade that I'm gonna be taking is gonna be mirrored to your account as well. So if I make profit, you make profits, right? So and now, once my name is there, you're actually gonna press the account, right? And then you actually gonna see all the details right here, and then you're gonna see everything, right? So and then you're gonna scroll all the way down, and then you're gonna see the button that says copy. So this is the button that you need to press. You just press this button, and then once you press this button, you're actually gonna see the profit sharing settlement, right? So basically, this profit sharing, it's actually because copying my trades is free, right? But the only moment I get profits is when you make profits. So let's say if you make $100, my profit is gonna be 30% of your profits. You understand? So not on your money. It's only gonna be your profit. So I only win when you win. You understand, right? So that's exactly how to do it. So here now there is a settings that I want you guys to pay attention to. It's let's say equivalent margin. Use the margin. Make sure that you choose that one, equivalent used margin, and investment balance, right? Make sure that you invest. The more money you invest, the bigger the profits, because it's all about percentages. So let's say if we make a 20% profits per day, right? And that will be, if you have $100, 20% is gonna be 20 USD, right? So if you have a 2,000 account, 20% is gonna be 200. And if you have a 100,000 account, 20% is gonna be 20,000, right? So the bigger your account is, the bigger your profit is gonna be. You understand? So for me, I'm gonna put maximum 524, you know, and okay, now used margin is gonna be 1.0. Just use the way it is. And then risk management, right? Risk management is actually this one here. Personally, I'm very good at the risk management, so your account will never drop all the way below certain below 65-70%, because I make sure I keep the risk low. That's my first priority, is to protect the account. So but for you, I always tell people to use 65, right? 65%. So just give me a room to breathe. Just let 65% of your money in a market. So what means here is that you're actually risking 65%. So if the account drop at the 65, and then it's gonna stop copying, right? So yeah, just make sure you keep 65. And then let's go here. Take profits. Do not set take profits, because I'm actually going to be closing on my side, right? So every time I close, yours, it's actually going to close as well. Now, because the reason why you don't want to set the take profits is because I personally going to be closing, right? So you want to let what I'm doing to appear on yours as well. So now let's talk about lot round up, turn it on, and a copy open trades, turn it off. Once you're done, right? Once you're done, you already put everything, you put your money. The only thing that you're gonna do is just submit, this submit button here. You see? Boom. Now you can see it's already copied. Boom. So now we're back here. You can see I'm actually copying who? FX Wizy. And here's where all my profit is gonna be showing, right? If there is a profit, you're actually gonna come and see here. Here, this is your place where you're gonna be seeing your profits, the running trades, right? So yeah, so most people they was like, hey bro, maybe they're gonna see them the trades on a MetaTrader 4 or 5. No, it doesn't work like that. As a copy trading, your profit is gonna be here where you can see me here. So if you log in into your app, you literally going to see how everything, right? You're gonna see your money and everything, right? So yes, gang. So that's just how to copy my trades, and we're gonna start on Monday, which is gonna be crazy. I will keep on updating in a free Telegram group every time, guys. So make sure that you copy my trades on Advantage so that you make money while I make money. You know what I mean? Because hey, man, there's no excuses, and this is exactly what I actually wanted to do because for most people they don't have time to actually follow signals, right? So that's why I actually decide to come with something like this because, again, this is the only way I can actually give back to you guys. This is the only way we can all eat together, you know. So you're still learning, but at the same time you can copy my trades, and then while you're still learning on the other side because your accounts, your money here is actually safe when you're copying me. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's just it, guys. And I hope you guys you're actually gonna copy me. And another thing, after copying me, when you copy my trades and you are done, all you have to do is just to send me a message on a Telegram, and then I will add you in a copy trading a group. Where we actually gonna be discussed. It's just gonna be like a kind of a fun group where other people you're gonna be talking to other people, and then we're gonna actually talk about the progress of our copy business, copy thing, how things goes. So yeah, that's just the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys understand, and I want you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then let me know, guys, which kind of video you want me to be doing next year. So that's just the end of it. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in a copy trading group. Yeah, so open a group, copy me, send me a message on Telegram, and I will add you in a group, and let's get it.